my channel Code with Neha. So today I am back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it and do comment down in the comment section below. So without any further delay, let's get started. So today we are starting off with CSS. CSS is the language we use to style a web page. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other social media. CSS is not a programming language but a styling language. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at a time. External style sheets are stored in CSS files. Now, why we use CSS? CSS is used to define styles for your web pages, including the design, layout, and variations in display for different devices and screen sizes. HTML was never intended to contain tags for formatting a web page. HTML was created to describe the content of a web page. We can see the following examples as the HTML tags as h1 and paragraph tag. When tags like font and color attributes were added to the HTML 3.2 specification, it started a nightmare for web developers. Development of large websites where font and color information were added to every single page became a long and expensive process. To solve this problem, the World Wide Web Consortium W3C created CSS. CSS removed the style formatting from the web page. A CSS rule consists of a selector and a declaration block. CSS syntax is as follows. Here, h1 is the selector. The selector points to the HTML element you want to style. The declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons. Each declaration includes a CSS property name and a value separated by a colon. Multiple CSS declarations are separated with semicolons and declaration blocks are surrounded by curly braces. Now, let us understand CSS with an example. Starting with the basic HTML tags. We did this in the last video. You can check it out from my channel. Adding style tag just within head tag. Just following the CSS syntax, that is H1, which is the selector. In the curly braces, there is the declaration, which in total is the declaration box. Here, text align, font size and color is the property, followed by a colon, then the value of the property. Saving the file as filename.html, and here is the result. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more such tutorials, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and click the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.